Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are back again to react on a new video, and this video you are watching now is going to be a kind of exposition and a reaction together, because I've seen many people claiming that they know why Biafran government in exile choose to host their convention and Biafran declaration on 2nd of December. And this has triggered some people especially that claim they are fighting for Biafra for years, and they think they know everything, and by so doing, whatever that's going to come for Biafra must go through them. But before we go through that, I want you to take a very close look to this screenshot on your screen. This is me searching the date of Finnish Independent Day, and this is what I find from Google. You can do it on your own. In fact, please, on your own quiet time, maybe after this video or as we're watching the video, you can quickly do that. Go to Google and search Finland Independent Day, or just find a way to know when Finnish government celebrate their Independent Day. And this is what because I've seen online, I've seen some people saying that it's 6th of December annually they celebrate it, and some said that people from DOS and fake media warriors, people who have no shame, and I will tell you why. They have come with a propaganda that the 2nd of December is the day Finland celebrate their independence. And these are people claiming they are researchers, they are good in this, they are good in that, but every time they want to do exposition in the name of criticizing or malander somebody's name, just to slander somebody's name rather, and they end up with a nonsense argument. Now what you can see here is December 6, 1917. That is when Finland got their independence from Russia, as you can see here. And the day is totally different from the days of convention of Finland, of Biafrans in Finland, and Biafran declaration that is coming up this 2nd December. Now, why are they doing this? They have used every means necessary to bring PM down. They have used everything, all propaganda, and that is the reason why most of us are here trying to debunk. When some of us are wired like that. Well, I don't know I don't know how about you, but some people in this life cannot withstand, lies, or especially propaganda that is too obvious to notice. Okay, so my people, let's go through this. But before we move forward, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you are new and like this video. Use this opportunity and click on the like button, because we want this video to get to many Biafrans, so that whenever they say something, you have something, you already know what they are made of and their intention and why they are doing what they're doing. Now, this is, like I said, is reality information coming to you from this platform, especially this video, because the lies is alarming, and I will prove you. I will prove that to you. Now listen, let's go to the platform, then you can see. Now let's start from a mega gift, what he posts here, and he attached this to Finland. And one thing about them is that they always have something to say. And when they say something, thinking that they're doing, they know that they are hurting people without knowing that they're exposing them. Now let's read what he said. He said, Finland will be celebrating their Independence Day on 2nd December, as stated by Finland president. We are getting report that the Finland criminal capitalizing on the Finland 2nd December independence celebration to gather his colleague in crime as a declaration of Biafra. Now, this is what they normally do, and that is why it will be difficult for them to get away with this kind of nonsense, because there are some people in this life that you don't call criminal and get away with it. Everybody is not PM that you can call Ekpa for years and he allow you guys to be doing that. Calling Biafrans, meaningful Biafrans, people that are far better than you in every ramification, calling them criminal is abomination. And you turn around, you see them, they will turn around to tell you that you need to join DOS, you need to support DOS after calling them criminal. And what you have been doing, or what you have done, you have done that for years without any results. Some of us are selecting our words so that we cannot, drag Master to your mess. Because each time we want to go deeper about your activities for years, somehow it may stain Master Namakan, which is not the intention. But because they don't like Master Namakan, they don't care. Whatever they say, they use Master Namakan's name to insult everybody. Now, he said that he will gather his colleagues in crime as a declaration of Biafra. Have in mind that 2nd December is a great day in Finland as they are expecting friends from all over the world to join them in Finland independence celebration. Be on alert and don't be deceived. We shall continue preempting the lies and deceit of Ekpa. We don't want lies and deceit in Biafra struggle. Can you imagine these people? What is criminal than this? They have tried all they could to stop Biafran from going to Finland. But they know that they run out of time. And the best thing to tell you that Finland, all of a sudden, Finnish government starts celebrating their independence on 2nd of December. But that is not the truth. Go and search when Finland celebrates their independence. What day? What day are they celebrating their Independence Day? It is on 6th of December every year annually, according to what Google told me. When I searched it, that's what they said. And they have used everything they can to look at what they said here, because this thing is edited. Look at it. It said Google translation. It is a lie. Go and Google it, and you find out. You can see for yourself what these people are doing. We celebrate Independence Day with our guests of honor, war veteran, on December 2nd at the Presidential Palace. Oh my goodness. Now, since Finland are celebrating, let us just agree with them, like, okay, maybe we don't know how to research, we don't ask Google anything, all of a sudden we are Momo, okay? And Finland celebrating their Independence Day that day, right? Finnish people, are they black or white? So why must black people from all over the world be going to Finland, trooping to Finland to celebrate the independence of Finland? For the first time in their history, in how many years? These are countries that have independence in 1970. In 1917. 1917, not 1917, 1917. Meaning that all these years in their history, only now that Finland government or black people want to go to Finland to celebrate independence. Only now. Because people, Biafran going to Finland, are not going there to celebrate the independence of Finland. Do you understand it? And it's not the same thing. It's not even in the same venue. Biafran's convention is a shock to them. And it will be a shock, and it will remain a shock. Sometimes I feel like, working with any international organization, just to pay these people back somehow, because the lie is too much. Forget about the hatred you have on PM. What about the lives of people that you are deceiving with nonsense? You don't have conscience. You don't have conscience at all. It is not the only one that know how to research, and Biafran are hitting back on him. He's not the only one that shared this nonsense. So many of them, because to me, these people, I mean, the day they gave birth to them, that day is a curse day, to be honest with you. Why? They don't have any single conscience, like I told you. Thank God that Biafrans are connecting the dot. And the more they are connecting the dot, the more the people are going to hate them. To be honest with you, if Mazama can come out today and stand with these people, personally, I'm speaking for myself. I'm not saying Biafrans are going to do anything. I am speaking for myself, my people. I will never, ever, side whatever Mazakani is doing. The level of crime, the level of, fake information and sabotage from these people now. I'm not. Do you know that selling Mazakani is one hell of sabotage? But what they have done after selling of Mazakani is more dangerous than selling Mazakani. Because when you mislead millions of people, when you you put lives of people in danger, when you undermine people, what people are doing or what they're supposed to do to free themselves, you channel your misleading and fake and sabotage as one of your main objective or your main goal to achieve. It is unforgiving. You cannot tell me anything otherwise. Now, Dragon Squad, this is a profile of one of the Biafra Liberation Army, I believe, says this, busted. Independent Day of Finland, date 24. That is Friday, December 6, 2024. Do you understand it? Like I said, don't take what I'm saying serious. Go out on your own and find out when is Finland Independent Day. You can search it again. Then you will tell us what you see. Because people are taking it for granted. To be honest with you, they're taking it for granted. I don't know why they choose to. I don't know why. It is very, very bad. Very, very bad. You know, they think that everybody are mumu. You don't have time to research or to find out what is going on. That's what I think. This is unforgiving, to be honest with you. I don't like talking about these people, but somehow I decided to react on this. And my people, tell me what you think about this, because it is flying everywhere on internet, and we need to debunk it immediately so that they will not undermine the work of people, and they think that we are not aware of what is going on. And please, I want you to make sure that you like the video, subscribe if you are new. Let's go to another thing before we come to an end of this broadcast. So another person that replied to Emeka Gift is Fortizo. Fortizo, I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly. He said, "Are you talking to illiterate or what?" That's what I'm saying. They think that people are sleeping over every nonsense. Why are you lying to the public as if those following Biafran's agitations are a bunch of illiterate? For this record, Finland Independent Day is on December 6th. How can this kind of people follow DOS who are full with lies get Biafra? Who are filled with lies get Biafra? I don't know. It's not possible. How can this kind of people, he asked, following DOS, who are full with lies, get Biafra? I mean, who are full with lies to get Biafra? I think that's what he's trying to say. The same screenshot that Biafra Squad just shared, this guy also shared the same thing. People are on a comment section to expose him. Is he going to learn from it? No, never again. They don't understand, after calling names, that they want to delay Biafra restoration and different freedom of American. This Oyibelibe don't even understand what he's trying to say here, because the man, the Finland president that you tag this to, know what it takes to get freedom. This is what they have been through. They know, they have your history more than you can think. Anyway, I don't need to go through some of the comments. I just want to flash few of them. But on your own, please go and Google the day of that Finland supposed to, or the day they normally celebrate their independence. That will answer you. That will be the best way to understand what is playing out. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.